Hey there YouTube people, welcome back to my workshop. Today I'm gonna fix this fishing gear mess I have here, so I'm going to make a rod rack. Stay with me. All you need for this project is a piece of scrap wood and a PVC pipe. Just choose a diameter about an inch wider than your rod diameter to make sure it's locked in place, but still easy enough to pull off with one hand. I took a measure of 2.5 inch per section. I think it will fit for any fishing reel. I used the jigsaw to cut the PVC pipe into 3 different sections, one for each rod I had. Once I had the 3 sections ready, I pulled out my rotary tool with a cutting disc to start the shaping of the lips into the PVC pipe. I used a piece of paper to mark the cuts in one size for all the sections. Then I just made a rough cut. I recommend to set your rotary tool to minimum speed when you cut the PVC to prevent overheating. After I rough cut all the 3 pieces, I switched to grinding bit on the rotary tool and carved the lip. Again, I'm using the lowest speed. I repeated the process for all the 3 pieces. Well, it's not that pretty, but hey, at least it works. The scrap wood was in the exact size I needed, so I just started the sanding process and removed the top rusty layer. Then I moved to hand sanding with the sanding paper, and then to finish I used some rusty wood stain. I used a cotton towel to spread the paint evenly on the wood to get a good coverage for each side. To finish, I drilled 2 holes in each PVC section and then attached it to the piece of wood with a couple of screws. Now all that remains is to mount it into the wall or anywhere else you want to have it. Just slide your rods into the PVC sections and keep your gear organized. So that's it for this video, thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe and like button. Until the next time, cheers!